Team Enriquez Adventure! Today we're going to celebrate Elison's birthday. We're gonna check into the hotel.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ellison. Happy birthday, Kuya Ellison. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya. How old are you?
I'm 11.
11. Elia, say happy birthday to Kuya.
Happy birthday, but you're so annoying.
Oh my God.
What?
Happy birthday, but you're so annoying.
What?
To me, you always bully me for something.
Kuya Ellison always bullying you?
Happy
Just say happy birthday.
Just a happy birthday and I love you like that. My God, you're so
always be
mean.
mean to me.
Oh my God, Delia.
Birthday to you.
Nandito na tayo.
Okay.
Mommy, this says happy birthday to you.
We're here.
I know.
Tayo sa Residence Inn.
No! We're going to the hotel.
Yeah.
I know.
Fairfield.
Residence Inn.
Ayun, Fairfield.
Ito nga tayo. Oh.
We're gonna go swimming first. Larson, imagine this is Ellison's face. Larson! Larson! Imagine they all said that. Mommy, imagine.
Yeah.
Tapos babalik pa kami mamaya
Larson!
kasi may naiwanan pang mga
Kuya Adrian, show the
pagkain.
happy birthday thing.
Hanap tayo ng
Like the balloon.
hanap tayo ng ano.
Mine! Mine! Mine!
Bakante ba?
What?
I want it! I want it! I want it!
Dito banda.
Larson! See, that's why I burned it up. That's why I took it. Larson, even though it's
Pwede
your
ba
birthday,
dito? Ay,
you don't
hindi.
get
Ano
what
to?
you do. If
Ito
you
kasi yan, ano
have
naman.
it.
Ito?
You stole it
Ito,
from
mga
me.
ulo.
Saan?
Ayan.
Give me a
Tapos ka ba? Ay,
tag.
nauna na ba?
Give it.
Kami sa Residence Inn. Nauna na ako kalaruin. Ando pa sila. Kasi mag-check-in muna ako. Ayan. Sa Residence Inn. Ando pa sila Rowena. Ayun. Ha? Papasok na kami. Where are they? Let's sit down muna. Let's sit down there. Pumunta kaming room ni Edri. Tapos na sila sa baba. Prepare yung ano ni Edison. Ini sa dining nila ng hotel. Nagpaalam kami. So pwede lang ganapin doon. Tapos yakat mo na yung mga gamit namin sa room namin. Dilim. 445? Yeah. 4 tayo. Napunta tayo sa 5th floor. Press. Supposed to be on the ano? Lower.
Yeah, floor number 4.
What happened? Yes, ano, 5 kanina? Why do you tell me? It's your fault.
I thought you know what you're doing.
Oh my God.
I thought you know.
5th floor. Ang napindot ko 5th floor, hindi naman inano ni Edri. Hindi ko na rin. Let's go. 445. 445. Doon kami sa pinakadulo. 445. Yan na. Ito yung bagong hotel dito eh. Bago lang to eh. Kaya ang bango pa. Amoy hotel na hotel. There. Okay, wait. Keycard. Here's a keycard. Open. Oh, it's open.
Discover extraordinary health
Oh,
solutions lab.
why that? And it's open.
Hotel brand.
Open siya? Huh? Open already? What happened? How come it's open already?
No, it says your name right there.
Welcome Ed. Asan? Ayan o.
It says your name right
There we go. Residence Inn. Welcome, Edison Enriquez. Thank you for staying at the Residence Inn. So nice. Ito yung room. Mag-room tour na tayo. Ayan, so meron itong malaking TV, may desk, tapos may couch. Ano yan eh, nagiging bed yan. Tapos meron itong kitchen, and then the mirror, at that may dalawang 2-bedroom na queen. And this is, this one is the, what is this? Ay, ang laki ng closet, washroom. Ang laki ng washroom nila, oh. Oh, that's nice, ang bango. May bathtub. Nice. And this is the closet. Yan. So, may pa-mirror sila dito. Yan, tapos, malaki yung room. Tapos may pa-fridge pa sila dito. Ayan, oh. So, may mga gamit yan. Oh, malaking fridge. Hindi siya basta-basta. Hindi maliit na fridge. Malaking fridge. Oh, di ba? Laki ng fridge nila, oh. May microwave. Siya may mga gamit. Ayan, may mga gamit. Pwede mong gamitin. Yan, oh, may oven toaster, coffee maker. Ano to? What's that?
Dishwasher.
Oh, may dishwashing pa, oh. Oh. Oh, may mga gamit yan. Oh, mahal nga lang check-in dito. Expensive. 200 plus. May mga pa rin gamit, oh. Yan, oh. Sosyal. Di ba? May pa-mirror. Oh. Lagyan mo natin ito sa gilid. Ay. Buksan mo na, Adrian, ilaw. Diyan. Ilaw po. Yan. Kasi natin ang view natin dito. This is our view. Oh, ito yung kabilang hotel. Oh. Ito yung anong hotel yan? Kalimutan ko. Kalimutan ko. Ano pa rin yan eh? Sister company niya yung hotel yan. 3 hotel dito eh. Yung Fairfield, tapos yung itong Residence Inn. Anong hotel to? Nakalimutan ko na eh. May isa lang may-ari nito. Yan. There you go. Oh, nice. Kasi natin sa dining nila. Hindi namin yung pinaka-dining area ng hotel. Paalam kami. Pwede naman daw ba sa lilinisan lang daw. Dito ba tayo? Oh, no, the other side. No, this is the end. Dito. We're lost.
I think it's the same.
Yeah. Parang malaki yung room, no? Big.
Yeah.
Same in the, what do you call this? Hyatt House when we checked in, remember?
Yeah.
But that one is more bigger.
The high house?
The Hyatt House,
Yeah.
a little more bigger, but it's
It's
almost
still
the,
big here.
yeah, but it's almost the same. You know, there's a couch, there's an island table, there's a kitchen,
The TV.
TV, the fridge. Yeah, but the fridge is more bigger,
Yeah, the fridge.
right?
It's like ours.
Yeah, it's like ours, like parang pangbahay. Ayan, bababa muna kami. Nandun sila sa baba eh, sa dine-in.
This ones are out there.
Tsaka lang. Hi, Alison, happy birthday. Dali, you light the candle. Yeah, para kumain na tayo. Dali, dito na, dito. Okay. Dito kayo. Si happy birthday na. Siya, di kita. 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ellison. Oh, you wish muna and then blow. You wish. Wish. Oh, secret? Oh, blow the candle na. Okay, kain na. Hindi. Si Rebel na. Si Rebel pag masarap. Oh, pag hindi masarap ako. Ah. Oo. Yung chicken macaroni ako nagluto. Chicken macaroni. Ako nagtimpla. Yan. Dito kami sa Residence Inn. Dito si Ellison nag-birthday. Dito siya sa sa ng birthday. Bali, nagpaalam na kami sa may hotel kung pwedeng magamit yung kanilang dining room, pumayag naman sila. Kasi malate sa room eh. So dito na lang muna kami, tapos akat kami sa taas. Tapos mag-swimming na kami, maya-maya. Ayan. Good? Yummy? Just only pizza?
Yeah.
Does it?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah. Wala siya sa sa video ko lang dito siya. Joke. Hindi naman. Kain na. Ayun, wala. Yung cha-cha-cha. Tayo sa may swimming pool. Kasi maliligo yung mga bata. Actually, nandun na sila eh. Check ko lang. Ayan. Hi, Ellison! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Adrian! One more, say cheese! Say cheese! Okay! Say cheese! Say hi! How's the water? Cold? Are you cold? No?
I want to.
You like the water? It's warm? Nice! Go! Oh, you're done?
Aligo already. Are you wear your jacket na?
Or eating, Elia? Pizza?
Wear your jacket.
Kaya iwan si Leslie. Maiwan sa sabay kinakat.
How is it? Good? Hurt?
There's poop in the pool also.
Huh?
There's poop in the pool.
Oh.
I got 2 bruises on my legs. I run
There?
bruises. Yeah.
I got 2 red spots on my feet and my
Okay.
it actually
Baka kilala yung si Oda. Okay. Ooh. Ay, naku, baka ano. Nalog nila?
Hindi daw.
Ay, hindi.
Nabalitaan ko nga po kayo.
Silang bar...
Naglalakad lang kami sa lubangan. Kasi
Kasalo ko yung YouTube. I-upload ko yun. I-upload ko sa YouTube channel na may viewers. At di ba meron tayong viewers? Meron tayong viewers, ano na?
isa kami doon sa una. Ito, bago upload ko yan, isang minutes ago.
May ulam daw ako kasi followers namin. Kasi sabi niya,
Sa bus.
oh, yan naman yung the popular girls there. Yung ukat daw nila sabi ko kasi, oh, I love you, Papa, ngayon kasi gagawin ko siya pangalan.
Hindi kasi meron din sa release ko din sa YouTube. Pero yung sa YouTube kasi, kasama niya sa bus. Kuya daw, lagi in-upload. Sabi niya, nasaan na yung ano ninyo, yung upload nyo. Eh, wala na kami upload ka. May upload kasi sa Pilipinas na yun. Sabi niya, nahala si Kuya. Kaya Wilfred, shoutout daw. Hi! Saka ito ba YouTube channel? You gonna see in the YouTube channel. Did no? The YouTube channel.
Yeah, I know.
Dinalikas Adventure.
Yeah, Enriquez adventure.
See? Hello!
Enriquez, welcome to my guys. Why am I just
Ay, talaga? Ayan. Late breakfast now. Good morning. Okay. It's 8:30. Kakain na muna kami ang breakfast. Ngayon nga tulog. Si Ellison doon, tsaka si Edre, tsaka si AJ. Si Ruel nagliligpit na. Morning, birthday boy. Birthday boy. Wake up na. Tulog pa sila. Si Edre, tulog pa. Edre.
Wake up na. Wake up na. Gana ba? Ano, gana cook na. Si AJ tulog pa din. Ayan. Si AJ. Tatlo sila. Dito natulog si AJ. Tulog pa rin si AJ. Wake na, wake up. Wake eh. Elia tulog pa rin. Wake up na. Good morning, good morning. Malamig pa rin daw sa labas.
Meron pang wait. Good morning, baby. God bless you.
Malamig nga eh. Breakfast na kami. Kain na kami ng breakfast. Si Lara, tulog pa eh. Wala pa. Ay, tita. Meron kami ano.
Kain na kami. Dito tayo muna. Dito. Ayun yung ano yung na-dine in.
Let's go eat.
Here.
Let's go eat.
All my juice. Cereals. Oatmeal. What's that other? Pudding. Pudding. There's some bread. Ano na sila? Gagawa ako. Waffle. Mga ano sila. Mga food. Meron silang egg. Oh, ano to? Pangalan ito? Scrambled egg na ito naman, handcraft cage egg. Tapos, pancake. And, saan ito? Sausage. Ito empty. Masarap to empty. Oo. Hash brown. Yan. Meron na. Yun pala yun. So, parang sausage. Mga apple sila. Mga ano. Dami na palaman. Magawa ng kanyang wapo. Yan. Oh. Tapos kuha ka doon na ano mo. Chocolate. That's enough. Just make it 2 each, 1 each. Sisa naman. The other one. Enough na. That's enough. Is it naman? Make it 3 or 4. Sa isa pa, yan. Dapat di mo pinuno yung isa. Okay na yan. Are you close? No, just close first. Ganyan mo lang. Mamaya mo na. Yan, nag-ano siya na. Just wait, okay? Ay, din bagong dating na tito, no? Yung sausage. Ham. Oo. Empty. Let me, okay. Juice agad? Hanap natin ng pwesto. Hanap po natin ng pwesto. Okay, you go first. Andyan dito. Ayan dito sa ano, papunta na sa gilid. Diyan, sa gilid. Dito sa ayan ang isa. Ayun. Edri sa ita?
Yeah. Ano na ito?
Okay. Dapat dinala mo muna to doon bago ka kumuha ng food. Potato, ayoko niyan. Ay, walang singit. Kay Edri. Ito sa atin, kamin ko ako nito. Ito tayo ng isa. Isa lang muna. Ito, tapos sausage.
Kain ko to.
Oo. Sarado mo. Tapos egg. Scrambled egg. Ah, wala nang ano. Ay, ito mas gusto ko to. Ito mukhang mas masarap. Handcraft cage-free egg bite. Tomato and cheese siya. Yan. Tapos may pancake. Celia, ito yung pancake mo. Ganda kong ka-pancake. Kabi-bread ako. Vegan. Kaya, brown bread. Nag-brown bread na lang ako. Ito muna kukunin ko. Balik na ako mamaya. Yan na. Hindi siya masyadong ano. Tapos, kuha tayo ng ano, chia. Mukhang masarap to eh. Mga parfait nila. Yung isa, yung ito, chia, seed pudding, ito, parfait. Ito hindi lang isa, overnight oats. May mga gatas sila, chocolate milk. Tayo ng coffee. Black coffee.
Tita.
Yung ano? Del. Del, diyan kayo tatlo nila Edre. Sige Edre. Ano sila kami? Cold na Elia. You're cold? Cold ka na naman?
Tita, ako sa dun. Hindi makamata.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Si AJ. Gusto niya pumunta ng gym. Halika na. Itingin lang sila.
No, not to me. We're actually going to do it.
Ha?
Actually, go.
Say hi.
Ha?
Meron ako. Tara, let's go. Oh, careful ha, careful. O, that's enough na. Baka maano ka, AJ. Oh, enough na, Ellison. Enough na. Okay ko, Edrin. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I guess this one is broken. I don't know. Just press ano. Start. Wait, not too much. That's enough na. Not too much. That's good na. Kasi ganyan. Okay, we're done for our breakfast.
Ang daming anak mo. Ang daming anak.
Yung room na to, 400 lang sa Rintita.
Ito, yeah. Na kami, bye.
The gifts.
Yeah. G4?
The gifts for
Listen.
inside.
Birthday boy.
Birthday boy.
Say bye, birthday boy.
He has presents.
Thank you, everyone.
Say thank you everyone for coming.
Not everyone. Not everyone.
Everybody, okay.
Everyone that we know, you mean?
Of course, we know everyone because they know we invited them. We know
Yeah,
them.
not everybody that we know.
Okay.
No, not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, check out na kami. Bye.
We know everyone.
Double check mo, double check. Double check. Ready na, ready?
Last. Wait,
Oh, okay na lahat? Na-check mo na lahat? Mga drawer.
I'm holding.
Okay, let's go.
Wanna hold it, like for real.
Check out na kami. Tapos na. Ellison, that's enough na. Kaya kapag watch ng ano. Ito yung Walmart. Malapit lang to sa Walmart eh. Ano? Gilid na ng Walmart.
I found McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah, right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, let's go na. Going down na tayo ah. Go. Ellison, Edri. Bigay mo na yung room number. Bigay mo na ang 445.
Daddy, my favorite car was
Yeah. Ah. Paperwork, paper lang. Yeah. Can you hold this? We're leaving now.
This is my birthday present.
Birthday presents ganyan.
I need to open it. I got this. The balloon.
Thank you. Check out na kami. Ayan. Okay, let's go na. Let's go. Susi. Akin na susi. Put your hood, Ellison. It's cold. Okay, let's go. Tara. Let's go na. Go na. Let's go. Ha?
I was holding everything.
Hoy, Ellison. Help your mommy.
How about you?
I'm holding the key. Ang lamig. Oh my God, that's so cold. It's open already. Whew, alamig. Let's go home now after this. Yung hood, Elia. Nandito kami nag-check-in. Dalawa to, ito yung Fairmont. Fairmont ba to? Fairfield pala, Fairfield. Ito naman, Residence Inns. Yung isa naman, Homewood. Yan yan, by Marriott. Ayan, okay. Grabe ang lamig. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So, we're done. Uwi na. Sobrang lamig. So, how was your stay, Edre?
It's good.
Elisa, birthday boy? Good. Elia? Good. Fantastic. Fabulous. Good. But
I didn't like when I was sleeping because I have to wake up.
because you have to wake up.
Wake up early.
No, you need to wake up early because you know you have the free breakfast. So we need to avail the free breakfast. Kailangan mo mag-breakfast. Ha?
Starving.
Gonna be starving. It included sa ano natin binayaran. Ayan. Okay, bye! Bye, guys! Bye!
That was our video.
Elias ang birthday boy. Say bye! Bye! Ba, wala pala tunod tayong birthday boy. Kapailit muna kami ng sasakyan. Kasi sobrang lamig. Kapailit, tas uwi na kami. Okay, bye! Bye!